Sairam, this is your Krishnamurti J from JK Vedanta Shastra. Today we are going to see Bhrigunandi Nadi, Venus. In the outset, I thank Nadi Guruji R.G. Rao sir from Bangalore. Because of him only we have got a Bhrigunandi Nadi. And also I bow to all my teachers who have taught me astrology. Another thing, I have posted a lot of videos on Bhrigunandi Nadi. Please see so that you will get the benefit. Lot of people are asking whether I can take the class or not. This itself, so many videos are there on Bhrigunandi Nadi which I have posted, which itself will teach you a lot. When I start a class, then I will let you know. Apart from that, I request everyone to subscribe, share, because knowledge, if you share, you will get more knowledge. That is why whatever the thing I know, I am sharing with you. Please share with your astro friends, and important thing is subscribe. Now let us come to the point. Venus. Please see till last slide, you will get the benefit. So Venus means it's a female planet. Also significator of life for female native. Finance, house, mansions, dwellings, wife, danger, egoism, beautiful, lovely, attractive, and significator for wealth, elder sister, elder daughter, daughter-in-law. These are all the Karakattvas of Venus. Lot of Karakattvas are there. Very briefly, important Karakattvas I am telling you now. Apart from that, Sage Shukracharya is the Venus. Shukracharya. Sage Shukracharya, we know very well, is Asura Guru, and he has got Sanjeevani. So Venus has got also curing thing, we will use Venus because Sanjeevani. So now we will come to the charts to understand how this Venus acts. See, first thing I want to tell you, this Bhrigunandi Nadi is very logical. See here, Venus and Jupiter is there. That is two planets combination. Apart from that, if you fill all the planets in this chart, so many other planets will activate Venus or Jupiter. That also we have to take into our mind. Another thing I want to stress here, we should know the degrees of the planets. The degrees are very, very important, because then only you can do which planet is coming first, next, something like that. So that which planet has crossed that planet and which planet is very close to that planet, for which we are going to tell the predictions. So each, you know very well, as Bhrigunandi Nadi students, so Venus is wife, wealth, so many things we are telling. Same way Saturn means profession. So each Karakattvas, if you want to see profession, you have to take Saturn. If you want to see about your wife or about your wealth or about your love life and other things, Venus with other planets combination you have to see. Because only one planet will not give anything as per the Bhrigunandi Nadi. Now we will see. See, Venus and devout wife. That means, see here, Venus, we know it is a Karaka for wife, and Jupiter we know it's because it's Kalapurusha 9th Lord and 12th Lord. See, 9th Lord and 12th Lord indicates, see, one is Dharma Trikona, another is Moksha Sthana. So Jupiter is the Lord for these two houses. So apart from that, Jupiter is the Deva Guru. See, Deva Guru, Not only Devaguru, he is a very simple man. He is simple sage. He is only interested in conducting the yajnas and the spiritual practices. So he used to live in a very simple hut. But Venus is not like that. Because he is Ashura Guru. All bhoga, whatever the luxurious thing, whatever the comfort you are speaking on the planet Earth, Venus is the Karaka for that. So, Venus means not young girls, not only girls, wine, not only wine, wealth, cars, vehicles, any luxury, scent, all these luxury items indicates Venus. All feminine item, because it's a feminine planet, all feminine items indicates Venus. But here we are not going into that. We are going only see about wife. So Venus joining with Jupiter. Here we have to make one point, because Venus is exalted here, very strong. Jupiter in his own house, that too Kalapurusha 12th house. So what we see here, Jupiter is again very traditional. He won't go away from traditions unless he is associated with Rahu or somebody. That is why when it is associated with Rahu, we call it as a Guru Chandala Yoga. Because Guru means very traditional. Whatever the tradition, in India also so many states are there. Each state must be having some tradition. Guru wants you to follow that tradition, that dharma. Same, each nation must be having some kind of dharma, some kind of tradition. So this Venus associating with the Jupiter, that lady, that wife of the native, this is the male chart, so wife of that native, very, very devoted, but attractive in nature, because Venus is exalted here. Definitely she must be beautiful, because his wife must be very beautiful. That too, in Venus is a water planet, in a watery sign, along with the Jupiter, because it will enhance whatever associated with Jupiter, it will enhance. So Venus is the beauty. So that Jupiter will enhance the beauty of that wife. So apart from that, Jupiter is the very dharmic and devotion and other thing. So that glow will be there in that wife's face. So Venus Jupiter combination, what it denotes? The wife of the native is devout and attractive in nature. Then next we are going Venus, Jupiter and Mars. Same Venus exalted, same Jupiter in a own house and watery sign. Again in a watery sign, Mars is there. Who is Mars? Mars is the Aries and Scorpio's Lord. That means Kalapurusha's first house, Kalapurusha's 8th house. So Mars, because Kalapurusha's first house, it is head. And Mars also indicates very, very arrogant, because Mars is the commander-in-chief. In an army, the commander-in-chief should have the Rajasic quality. He should say, yes, go and fight. And he should have the logic to devise a system so that his army should win. So he has to plan logically, no emotions there. So when Mars is posited in 4th house of Kalapurusha, that is hot part of it, apart from that Chandra, that is moon is emotions, and it is a water sign, water again emotions. All these things made the Mars weak there. So Mars is the debilitated planet. That's why it's getting debilitated there. When Mars is debilitated, see any planet for that matter, it will give the negative. See, all planets have the positive side and negative side, two sides of a coin. But when a planet that is a good planet exalted, so it gives or in his own house, or in a friendly house, or in Mula Trikona house, it gives the positive side of its carcass. If it is debilitated along with enemies or beaten in the planetary, all these things are in enemy's house, all these things indicate it emits the negative energy of that planet. So here Venus, Jupiter, Mars combination indicates that wife of the native is dogged and arrogant in nature. So the same combination, how it changes, maybe she was devoted, she may be attractive, all these things will remain same. But along with that, this quality also will come. Because of the beauty also, she will get the arrogance. Because of she is a lot of devotion and other things, she may get the arrogance and dogged nature and other things will be there. Next we will see. Now we are seeing Venus, Mercury and Moon. See this Mercury is in exalted position and Mercury is in own house. So apart from that, it is connected with Venus and Moon. See here what happened, it indicates, because Mercury is a prince, he is a young adolescent, full of energy, love. Venus is also love. Both the planets joined together will give more love. Because Venus is also a friend. And Mercury is a friend. Venus is a girl. So girlfriends. Moon is also again married woman. Again it connects the Mercury, Venus, Moon combination. But Mercury indicates both sexes of friends. And Mercury, Venus, Moon combination indicates it provokes urges to love and lose one's heart. And elopement also. Why elopement? Because Moon is a emotional planet. One. Second is very quick in changing. And it joined with the prince, adolescent, who is not able to think properly. He will take a hasty decision. Venus, again, it's a love. Planet of love. It says, God, love, enjoy, man. Planet of enjoyment. Mercury, adolescent. Moon is mind. So you understand these three combinations, how it lacked. Elopement, because Moon will be a fast moving planet. And apart from that, so it will change. When Moon is involved, that's a change of residence, change of things, change of places, all these things. Change. Quick change indicates by Moon. So Moon, another thing is deceitful. That means who is going to cheat and other things Moon indicates. Because you know the story, Moon cheated Jupiter of his wife. That is why Moon indicates cheating also. And Mercury is again because of the Moon Tara combination and illegal child. So because of elopement of Tara and illegal child was born and nobody accepted it. Moon also not accepted, Jupiter also not accepted. So that is Mercury is also indicative of illegal child. So because all these things indicate love, lose one's heart and elopement. That too maybe along with the friend circle when that native is very young also. Now here, wealthy lady, Venus. Again I told you, Karaka for a lady, girl or something like that. So Venus and Saturn. Saturn indicates profession. Saturn indicates the destiny. So Venus in a girl chart, Venus and Saturn combination indicates, see Venus also wealthiness. So whatever she wills, she will get it. Because that is a destiny. Because our desire and the destiny's program will coincide, will go along smoothly without any contradictions. So both will go together. So this lady, whatever she wills, she will get it. Okay. But why the huge amount? Because Rahu is huge. Jupiter will enhance, but Rahu, there is no limit at all, because Rahu is a sky like, because Rahu is illusion. Rahu is the Maya, and you will create and you will expand like anything. There is no actually limit for Rahu. That is why when Rahu comes, you will get, it is not ambition, it is over ambition you will come. So Venus wealth, Saturn is profession or Saturn is destiny. Here again Rahu is huge. So this is how it will happen. Next we will see. Here Venus Saturn indicates working wife. So this is the male chart. Saturn Venus combination is there. So definitely that his wife will be gainfully employed. Because again Venus you see in a 10th house of Kala Purusha. That also you have to note down all these things. Rashis also, houses also. Kala Purusha's 10th house, it is a Saturn's house. So Saturn and Venus combination, definitely she will be gainfully employed. Then here, person of pleasure and sensualities. Venus means sensual things, because Venus indicates human. Venus indicates vagina, fluid. So Venus is enjoyment. Venus is comfort. Venus is luxury items. All these things Venus, because Venus is a wine. So sensualist, that means sensual pleasures indicates Venus. Here Venus is exalted and it joins with Mercury and Moon. Here the combination you see. There also we have seen Venus, Mercury, Moon combination. There we said only they will go to, I think, because here what they will just love or maybe elopement will be there. But here the pleasure of sensualist is there. It indicates, what is this indicate? They may change the partners. Today one partner, tomorrow one partner. They like pleasure. They don't want to stick on with one person or something like that. That kind of combination it is. Because Moon is in a Kala Purusha's 8th house. One. Second thing is Moon is debilitated. So Kala Purusha's 8th house, and Kala Purusha 8th house means what? It indicates your private parts. So Moon is situated there. Your mind will be always thinking about the private parts pleasure. So Mercury, again, intelligence, Karaka for intelligence has gone here. Gone here means what? It has gone to the, emotional place. Mercury is now in water sign. It is an emotional place. Moon's place. That means is a very, that intelligence will be clouded with emotions. So it won't take a correct decision. This is how it will happen. So Venus is the sensual pleasure, Mercury is adolescent, Moon is a fickle-minded. All these three planets are female planets. So definitely it indicates native is a person of pleasure and sensualist. See, apart from that, we have two others. See, immediately you can't jump. This is a combination of only three planets. If it is if it is involved, Jupiter is involved in this combination, definitely that person will have the control over all these things. Otherwise, it won't be known outside. If Rahu is involved, more dangerous. Okay, next I am telling you. Then here Venus is combined with Mercury, Jupiter and Sun. So this combination indicates educated and mature thinking wife. It's a male chart. So educated and mature thinking wife. So that means Venus is connected with the Jupiter. That means it will give a maturity. And Mercury is in his own house. So Mercury is, you will give all the intelligence. Sun is along with that. It says, see, Mercury is again education, Karaka for education. So that wife will be educated. Sun is the very dominant lady and very, what I can say is very good in administration. Managerial capacity is there and very dominant lady also. So educated, even though she is dominant lady, what will happen? Because of Jupiter, she will have that maturity also. She won't the dominance not like a Mars, because of Jupiter is involved. So Jupiter is from his own house, that to Mula Trikona's house, that to Kalapurusha's 9th house. So it will have that kind of effect on this Venus to have a control. So with all these things, I caution you, don't jump into conclusion with the, just to emphasize, only I have taken 2 or 3 planets along with the Venus. Don't jump into conclusion saying that, oh, this person is like this and all this thing, because I already told you, Jupiter comes into act, it will change, and the degrees will change, places of the planets will change the character. Don't jump into hasty consideration. You always have a matured view. See, when you see a weak point, don't emphasize to your customers. When you see a positive point, you emphasize that. Negative point, you would have missed something, and by telling the negative point, you are giving a bad impression to that person. So be careful with that. Don't scandalize things, and because with the full chart only one can analyze, only with the, because other planets influence also should, what kind of influence on the Venus also should be taken into account. With this, thank you very much. I close this video. We'll see in our next video. Thank you again. Please subscribe, share and comment.